Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now. Just click on that subscribe button. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you so much as you do that, and God bless you. So in my last video I showed you guys how to claim candies on Coingecko and how you can use those candies to redeem some rewards. So in the last video I redeemed a particular reward, which is this one, this gem gecko rare NFT. So today I'm going to show you how you can use those rewards that you have claimed. So I'll use this one as an example. So when you have claimed the reward, you just come to my rewards tab. So you click on that reward that you want to use. So in this case I want to use this one that I claimed in the last video. So I'll click on it. So when I click on it, it will show me this page. So since I have this page now, all I have to do is just click on this use now. This NFT is actually I can actually use this NFT, this reward, to enter a particular giveaway. You understand? So all you have to do, you can do the same for your own as well. As at the time that I'm making this video, the NFT is still, the reward is still available. So after you are done with this after you are done watching this video, you can actually do your own as well. So you can see the code here. I have a particular code that is shown here. Don't, when you click on the copy icon that is beside the code, don't rely on that copy. Just try and write down this code, because when you get to the page that you are going to use, where you are going to use the code, you are actually going to type the code. So the paste function will not work. So just write this code down somewhere. So after you have done that, just click on this use now. Click on use now. So I'll wait for the page to load up. So I'll wait for the page to load up, and so you can see now. So this is the giveaway draw. So all I have to do is just scroll down and input all the required information. You understand? So I'll input my name. I'll input my email address, then the code. Like I told you, if I try to long click and paste the code here, it won't work. So I have to type in the code by myself. So I'll type in the code. So I've typed in the code, then I'll click on enter giveaway. So you can see these are all the tasks I have to perform in order to enter the giveaway. You understand? So we just need to perform all these tasks. What do you think about crypto art? Subscribe to subreddits, all these tasks. And when you are done, you wait, because it's only 5 minutes that's going to be chosen, and the end date is August 16. So if you are watching this video presently, right now, you can also go to your Coingecko and do this as well. Nobody knows, you might actually be one of the winners. So just perform all these tasks and finish up the task. So thank you so much for watching this video once again, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also you can share the video with your friends and family. Thank you so much, and God bless you. See you again later.